Hi guys, welcome to Nisa's Home Cooking. Today we're making chicken masala. You will need 1 pack of Shan's Chicken Tikka Masala powder. You can get this from any big major superstore. Lemon juice and 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 kilo chicken. Chicken thigh, chicken breast, any will do. Cut into small pieces. First we'll put the chicken into a bowl. Then we'll add the full packet of chicken tikka masala powder onto the chicken. Then we'll add 9 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you don't like it too citrusy, then you can put less, or you can put more if you like it more citrusy. Next we'll add the oil. Again, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Just cover it over. Should look like this. And then we'll just mix it. You can mix it with your hand. You can use a spoon, anything, any way you want to mix it. There we have it. It's already mixed. It has a real bright and nice color to it. I will also be making chicken niblets as well. I will make another video on this to show you the masala that I used for this, but I thought I'd just show you anyway because I'm making this along with the chicken tikka. So the oven is preheated. We are basking the tray with oil. We've added the chicken pieces on top of the tray. This tray is for the chicken niblets. We are now adding the chicken into the oven. I'll leave the chicken on gas mark number 6 for around 40 minutes. There we are. This is around 40 to 45 minutes, I believe. And yep, looks ready. Also, my chicken niblets also done. The colour is brilliant. It looks really tasty. There we are. We have it on the naan. You can eat it with chips, or you can eat it on bread, or you can have it on its own. I like to have it with naan and some salad, and then the end some sauce, some chutney. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you already haven't, and please share with your family and friends. Thank you.